Manila Mayor Isko Moreno and Senate President Tito Sotto are on top of voters' minds in the choice for the country's vice president, thanks perhaps to their strong name recall as showbiz personalities. Results of Pulse Asia's early survey on likely vice presidential contenders show Moreno as a top choice with a 35% rating. In far second is Sotto with a 19% rating. Former Senator Bongbong Marcos, who lost in the 2016 vice presidential race, is in third place. Tied on fourth place are ousted Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano and Senator Ping Lacson. Rounding up the top 5 list of possible VP bets is Public Works Secretary Mark Villar. Also in the list are Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte, Senator Bongo, former Senator Mar Rojas, and Senator Grace Poe. Former Presidential Communications Undersecretary Manolo Quezon shared a snapshot of the confidential survey in a tweet.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.